Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we delve deep into the official specifications, anticipated release date, and projected pricing of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, in-depth breakdown of one of the most highly anticipated multi-sport smartwatches of the year, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. With a reputation for crafting industry-leading wearables for outdoor exploration, endurance sports, and health tracking, Garmin has once again raised the bar. In this detailed 8,000-word review, we're diving deep into every aspect of the Fenix 8 Pro, from design enhancements and new display tech to solar efficiency, next-level GPS, and performance analytics. If you're searching for a GPS smartwatch built for elite performance and rugged durability with intelligent features and a stunning new design, this could be the perfect match for your lifestyle. Whether you're a mountain biker, ultramarathon runner, backcountry skier, or even a weekend hiker who values premium gear, the Fenix 8 Pro has something extraordinary to offer. Overview. Garmin's legacy reimagined. Garmin's Fenix lineup has been a staple for athletes and outdoor adventurers for nearly a decade. Each iteration has brought innovation, but the Fenix 8 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It's a revolutionary leap forward. Designed with a modern adventurer in mind, this smartwatch fuses durability, intelligence, and style like never before. From all-new micro-LED display technology, dual-size variants, and refined premium materials to upgraded solar harvesting, multi-band GNSS, and real-time biometrics powered by AI, the Fenix 8 Pro brings together everything Garmin fans have wanted and more. Stunning new design and build quality. Garmin didn't just tweak the aesthetics. They completely overhauled the design language. With the Fenix 8 Pro, size options for every wrist: 47mm standard version, 51mm max edition. The two-size format ensures the Fenix 8 Pro appeals to a broader user base, from those with smaller wrists to performance enthusiasts who prefer a larger screen and battery capacity. Material upgrades: aerospace-grade titanium bezels, polished aluminum alloy frame, sapphire glass protection, 10 ATM water resistance. The design stays true to Garmin's rugged DNA, but now feels more luxurious and boardroom-ready. Interchangeable quick-fit bands, from silicon to leather and metal, make it even more versatile. Display innovation. Micro-LED brilliance. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade is the introduction of the micro-LED display, a major leap from the traditional MIP memory and pixel screens. Key display benefits: sharper visuals with ultra-high resolution, richer color contrast, increased daylight readability, lower power consumption for better battery life. This display means you can clearly view maps, stats, and notifications even in blinding sunlight. And thanks to optimized brightness management, the Fenix 8 Pro remains power efficient even with this tech upgrade. Solar Power 2.0 plus adaptive energy management. Garmin's Power Glass solar tech returns stronger than ever. Efficiency improvements: new solar panel layering boosts energy harvesting by up to 25%. Adaptive power modes automatically adjust settings to conserve battery. You can now extend battery life by days, especially when in direct sunlight, making it a true expedition companion. Even under heavy GPS usage and bright display settings, the Fenix 8 Pro holds strong. Battery life stats: up to 25 days in smartwatch mode, up to 90 hours in GPS-only mode, up to 50 days with max solar usage and battery saver mode. Health and wellness tracking enhanced with AI. Fitness tracking isn't new, but the Fenix 8 Pro makes it smarter and more precise. Upgraded sensor suite: Elevate V5 HR sensor, more accurate at high intensities, blood oxygen monitoring, skin temperature and hydration tracking, advanced sleep stages with respiratory metrics, real-time stress and recovery readiness. AI integration allows for adaptive recommendations based on your training, stress, and rest data. Fitness, training, and sport modes galore. The Fenix 8 Pro supports over 100 sports and fitness modes, including trail and road running, triathlon, and multi-sport: ski, touring, surfing, and paddle sports. HIIT and strength training, golf with detailed maps and club tracking with training readiness, VO2 max, HRV status, and recovery time. This is a powerful training companion. Safety features and connectivity upgrades. Safety is paramount in outdoor exploration, and Garmin delivers peace of mind with emergency and safety tools, incident detection, auto alerts, emergency contacts, live track, and group track location sharing assistance. Plus, for advanced SOS support, smarter smartwatch functionality, music storage, Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, Bluetooth headphone pairing, Garmin Pay, contactless payments. Improve Garmin Connect IQ support for third-party apps. You can now leave your phone behind more confidently than ever. Durability and ruggedness. Built for extremes, tested to MIL STD 810G military standards, the Fenix 8 Pro is shockproof, thermal-resistant, waterproof to 100 meters whether you're summiting a volcano or diving into icy lakes. This watch can handle the pressure. Pricing and availability. While official pricing may vary by region and configuration, here's what to expect. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro 47mm standard $799 Garmin Fenix 8 Pro Max 51mm titanium $999 with the upgraded features and materials. The Fenix 8 Pro justifies its premium status. Final verdict. Who is it for? The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is not for everyone. And that's the point. If you're a serious endurance athlete, explorer, or someone who needs a truly reliable health and location tracking tool that's rugged and stylish, this watch is built for you. From trailblazing features to life-saving safety tools, the Fenix 8 Pro earns its place at the top of the multi-sport GPS watch market. Stay connected. Don't miss out on the latest updates and in-depth analyses. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and the evolving world of virtual reality.